to find the distance between the points E and F. This formula is written out like this, where you take the x coordinates and you subtract them. Okay, so the second x coordinate would be the 8, and I want to subtract the first coordinate. Okay, don't forget to square that, right? X coordinates. So I always let the first point be my x1, y1. So go ahead and put an x1 here, a y1 here. So the next point I come to will be my x2, y2. All right, now put a plus sign over here. Okay, and then do the same thing with the y coordinates. You take the second y coordinate, that's what that 2 represents, subtract the first y coordinate, oops, yeah, and put y1 here, and don't forget, extend this out, and don't forget to square that. What we got to do is bring down the square root. Don't forget, a lot of students will forget to bring this down. Okay, keep that coming down, and then start with the left parentheses and pick up that x2. All right, so that you know, now you go here to pick up the x to the second x coordinate, which is going to be my 8. I subtract the first x coordinate, and notice we have we're going to subtract and then a negative 5. Okay, that's my negative. It's a little bit smaller than my subtraction symbol. Close the parentheses, square that, bring down the plus sign, bring down the left parentheses, pick up the y2 coordinate, minus 4, subtract the y1 coordinate, 6. Okay, so this is a bigger, it's my minus symbol. Okay, and press control and a variable. I'm going to press the control and the x squared, which is the square root symbol right there above the x squared. That's the square root symbol. Anyway, that's what we want. So go ahead and press control and x squared, the square root symbol. All right, the left parentheses is down there to the left of 0. Go ahead and press that. All right, now we're going to go ahead and start entering in everything inside that square root symbol. So we have our left parentheses. Go ahead and get the 8. The minus sign is to the right of the plus sign. Okay, and then go ahead and get the negative, which is right below the 3. Okay, let me go ahead and scroll up here so you can see. Here's my minus sign right here. Okay, and here is the negative sign here. All right, so when we're here, now we put negative, do negative 5, close parentheses. Now hit the x squared, that's the button next to the 4. Okay, we got to square that. And then we'll put a plus sign and get your left parentheses. Negative 4, that's the button underneath the 3. Okay. Then we pick up the minus. This is a minus symbol, not the negative. Be careful here and use the correct symbols for those signs. The negative, because that's the first number that appears first in the expression becomes negative. After that, the minus sign, and if the coordinate is a negative, then you have to use the negative. It'd be a minus and then a negative, like we did over here, minus and then a negative. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get our 4 in, and then our minus 6. See it building over here. Okay, close the parentheses and remember to square that. Okay, now let's go ahead and press enter, and you should see 16.4, a symbol for approximately, because I'm rounding. 16.4. Now, all right, so you're saying, well, you may think you're doing something wrong. No, you're not. You just got to come over here to your answer choices and convert each one of those to see what answer gives the 16.4. So we're going to start with A. Press Control X squared and put 269 in there. Press enter. Well, right off the bat, we don't have to go any further because we now know when I look at this calculator that when I converted this square root of 269, I get the same answer as I got up here. Okay? And that's what I need you to be aware of.